Greetings, friends of Ludus. I'm Sergio Bravo, and today I'm bringing you Lud News, or in other words, fresh news about Ludus, updates, improvements, and much more. Today's news is spectacular because you can now perform CPR simulation just using the headset. Yes, without a PC, controllers, or cables. Do you want to know how? I'm telling you right now. Our product team has developed a very easy to use and intuitive CPR simulation. Setup is now faster and simpler, allowing you to select guided or unguided mode, the time it will take for emergency services to arrive, if you want to see how the emergency situation unfolds, and the displays that will indicate whether or not we performed compressions correctly. The steps to follow are the generically recommended ones. Check consciousness, check breathing, call emergency services, use a defibrillator if available, and perform chest compressions until emergency services arrive. At the end of the exercise, we can identify the person who performed it, so the results are recorded, and we'll see them on a screen that clearly and concisely reflects whether we performed the maneuver correctly or not. All of this is done without cables, without a computer, controllers, and if you don't have one, even without a mannequin, although, of course, we recommend using one to practice as accurately as possible. What? Do you want to try it? Bang, 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 no one passed the test. Bang, 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 no one passed the test. How was it? Did you find this content interesting? Well, if you'd like to expand your knowledge, visit our blog where we cover topics related to training, safety, health, technology, and much more. And to stay up to date on all the latest news, check out our news page and follow us on social media. We'll leave the links below. Best regards and see you next time!